Hi, boys and girls. Well, you made it. This is it. This is your last EQ for economics. And it is, how does saving and spending money work? So once again, we come down to the watch and you're going to watch a video on saving and spending money. Then you're going to click out of that, come back here, click on Amelia Bedelia's link, and you're going to sometimes slide down, it depends, slide down to chapter 11, and you're going to watch 11, 12, 13, and 14, and that's the end of the book, and it's really, really good. So after that, I usually have an activity that you come back to that's on the next page, but today I have kind of like a little assessment of economics for you. And so I'm going to make that its own seesaw activity. So you're going to have 3 seesaw activities today. Okay, bye. Or 2 activities today. Sorry.